These conveyors at the very front here have a head pulley, and to seal the head pulley to keep rock from falling on the ground and keeping the rock going into the front hopper, we have wear components, rubber belting type material that seals the head pulley. To check that the wear on those, or to service those wear components, we installed this door. You see it has wear rubber on this door because the rock's always hitting that. And then we've got a seal down here. This seal here keeps rock from rolling back underneath the conveyor. This seal here keeps it from falling out the sides. But you would raise this door to service these seals or check for debris in this grating that catches rocks and water bottles and cans and things of that nature, to clean debris out of this grating here.